Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out this bag I have. It's a tactile EDC bag, whatever that means. I'll show you guys here what it looks like. This is it here, like that. You can wear it, so it's good for, I don't know, hopefully it won't cover my microphone. I'm gonna aim you guys down a little. So you can have it like this. You can have the straps around here. You've got this. Got a little area here where it's just kind of padded to hold on the back. Totally comfortable to wear. And then I think you can adjust the height of it with these straps here as well. But I'll show you what we've got in here. We have a little pocket section in here. And it looks like it's got some carabiner type of things in there as well. And we have a kind of the Velcro kind of stuff here. So you can put some badges on there. Which is kind of cool to have as well. And you can put the carabiners onto these here. The zippers are nice because they have the little strings on them to open it. So here we go. We can open this one up here. Lots of places for things in here. You can see as well, you have like different cards and things like that. Very good. And then we have the big section over here, which is a dual zipper too, which opens up down here. If you have a pew or something like that, you can put that in there. But it's got straps and things and everything else to hold it all into place. And then you can just have it on here. And it's nice, it comes, you can clip it off here if you don't want to have all the straps on it. You could have it as just a single type of bag as well. So nice little bag. You can definitely put lots of in there, and it's got the nice little bag here, and it's got the mesh on the back, so if you sweat and stuff like that, it'll kind of wick it away. So I'm gonna say this is a nice bag. Thumbs up.